Now, picking up in part 2 here, this is extremely versatile. You can charge anything with this frequency by just putting it in this unit. Now, again, this is not submerged in there, so it doesn't affect the operation of this because it doesn't have to come in contact with any liquid and never should. Comprende, muchachos? So the whole idea is that anything, so this means this is your charging station. So it means that anything you put in here will be filled with it. Have prescriptions? Here's some meds. How about some supplements? Here's some probiotics. How about some more? Here's B12. And you can put anything in there. How about a bag of rice? Hopefully you're not eating rice, but maybe good stuff. Here we go, some garlic. You can put all that in there. As much as you can get in this container, you can put in there. Of course, you want to try and keep it under there because you don't want contact with anything. But see, there's enough space there. So all of this now can be charged up to get amazing results. Crystals, anything that you take in. You can put your amulets in there. You can put in pendulums in there. So anything you want to put in there, you can. You then just press the button and leave it in there for 30 minutes. And it'll turn itself off again. It's all automatic. So now you're going to have these things filled with that miraculous 7.8 hertz by just putting them in here. So anything you want to charge, you can put in there. Teas, herbs, you name it. Any kind of food you want to, you can actually put in there. Eggs. I guess you can put meat in there if you wanted to. Anything you want to charge with that amazing energy can just be placed in there. So that's the beauty of the beamer system, because it is a beamer. Now, for advanced uses, you can also take the unit right out. How about beaming it to yourself? Put it right on that particular frequency generator, the force physics generator, the radionic type energy. Put it right there. And I guess you could be reading, watching TV, and you just trigger it. Turn it on. Again, it works. There's no contact required, and you shouldn't. That energy will then just shoot at you. So you can fill yourself up with that energy by just sitting in front of it. And maybe you don't want to sit for 30 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. It's totally up to you. But there should be a minimum of 10 minutes to actually do that. Maybe you want to put this on a radionic machine. Here's one of our great little Scion generators. Maybe you want to fill that with energy. We can actually put this right in here while it's operating, by the way. Let me pull some of that stuff out of there. Get all that stuff out. But, you know, supplements and medications that are charged with 7.8 are now going to work much better in your system. You're going to get higher absorption, better functioning, etc. But you could take something like this. It's on, it's functioning. Now that broadcast is going to broadcast 7.8. You could also do this by positioning in front of any type of radionic type system. You have one of our boxes. Well, always use the other plate underneath it. You could push this right in it. You can even open it up if you want to. And you can shoot this at that. You can use it over a witness plate in a more traditional radionic machine. I'll show you that in a minute as well. If you have a plated radionic machine, you can put it right on it like that. Again, it's okay to put it contact like this, even though it's probably better not to have metal contact because that actually hurts the flow of energy. But you could hold it over for a minute or two, or actually put a plate on it like this to give it a little bit of spacing there, and you can send the energy right in there. And this, of course, is a pyramid type plate. And you get these plates with your beamer. So you could send that energy right in there. Now, this can be broadcast to whoever you've tuned this into, or if you have it in your box, it's the same thing. But we give you 7.8 generators with our radionic systems, so you don't really need this for that. But if you have another one, you could do that. So it's quite cool, exciting, and something that would be a great value to you to have. Now, as I said, you can use this for anything. So don't limit yourself. One of the best things to do, again, if you're taking, supplements are unbelievably expensive. If you want to take any kind of supplements. Well, if you charge your supplements up, you're going to be able to usually use a lot less, and they're going to be more effective. And that could save you the price of this unit in a couple of months with these $40, $50 bottles of supplements we're all getting now. So by charging them up with this, you're able to do make them much more efficient. The same thing with your medications, where your body will take them in better, very much better. So, and the amount of well-being improvements this has is startling. And this is all listed online. And with the unique double charging system that we offer here, where is that? I do it that. The double charging system that we offer now is that we are able to have such a punch of this energy that it is mind-boggling. Here's the disc. Just by using this disc, which is costly to purchase, you are creating an unbelievable amount of additional 7.8s that's at a vibrational frequency perfect for the biophysical to take in, meaning your physical energy fields can absorb the energy coming from this at a much higher rate than just crude 1.8 frequencies, 7.8 frequencies. So you can't underestimate that, people. Very important. So not only do you get the benefits of that, you get the benefits of both. Now, and again, you can always use this and put this against it and shoot the energy out that way as well to whomever or whatever. So there's lots that you can do, and a lot of details are in this great book. And as I said, you can download this before buying your actual unit. That gives you the basic operation, a lot of details, the research they've done. This company has done a huge amount of research. They have certified research reports here in the back where they got from different labs. I mean, these people have done some huge amount of work and have invested in this to a high level to test this kind of procedure. Now, the actual process of molecular resonance water activation is an art unto itself, and certainly something that I think has been overlooked with people just dealing with primitive chemical structures, making more alkaline water, hydrogenating water, making it more hydrogen. All these things are helpful to a degree, but they don't go in your system like a frequency does, and particularly a non-electrical based frequency, because your body is only partly based. And remember, all electrical frequencies are created from the informational energetic fields that create all nature, and part of what they create is the electromagnetic. So I like to go to the Papa, the God of it all, the Mama, the energy where everything comes from, which is right here and which is in all of our discs as well. This is the energies of creation, people. This is not some primitive offshoot of that. This is not what the electromagnetic was turned into. This is creator energy. This is where it all comes from. So the whole idea is this is very important that everyone understands this and can use it properly. So hopefully that's clear, and as usual with everything that I sell, you can always ask me questions. Have any questions, comments, have any problems whatsoever. I'm always available. I get back to people very quickly, and we can find out what your needs are, what problems you may be having. And of course, what I'd like to do is make sure people, are you using this technology to its highest and best use so you can change your life with it? That's what this is all about, life-changing technologies that we need to deal with, not just some gimmick. And so many things out there are gimmicks, and people sell stuff because they're promising you the rainbow of what's going on. And this is pretty sad. The sad thing is that it's a rainbow reality that isn't true. Happy Talk gets lots of people to buy products, gets you views on YouTube to fill their pockets with fraud. The bottom line is that very few things work. Supplements are overpriced and don't work very well. Well, if you're going to use them, make sure you're charging them with something like this. And make sure what supplements you're getting are the proper ones, liquids and so forth, that your body can actually absorb instead of the stuff that it doesn't. So remember, the supplement industry is a giant con game with billions and billions of dollars. I believe it's 60 billion plus money is spent on supplements in the United States alone. This is a multi-billion dollar industry, and they want to lie to you, and they produce studies that are then mimicked, puppeted, parroted, whatever you want to call it, by so-called medical professionals who somehow think that this information is good because it's produced by a scientific company or a university who lives off of the proverbial tit of the donators. So come up with the bottom line is that you better find something where my product works or you're not getting our money. So the problem with that is it creates what we have today, which is fraud, deception, and lies. And they're going to, oh, well, it's just a research report from whatever university. It's got to be good, right? All the doctors and these people on YouTube do is parrot that information. There's no way they check anything. Unless a person on YouTube has a going practice and he talks about his practice and the results he's gotten, what he's stating is worthless because it's filling his pocket. And just because they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year doesn't mean they don't want more. And they'll take more and more and more. They won't donate their time. They won't help the poor. They won't do things to help people. They don't have the time. Of course they don't. No, they're too busy making YouTubes, raking in another $10,000 or $20,000 a month. So remember that. There is no credibility out there. There is nothing out there that you can trust other than little Dr. Thor. So hopefully this has been helpful. Remember, people, there is no reality until the manifesting scientist creates it. And you can be one of those creators. Create your reality. Don't believe others. Make your life happen. You succeed. You prosper against the odds. Times are tough. Be out there in front and follow and support those people that are doing the great work, which is Dr. Thor. And at times I think I'm the only one. You need to get out there and do that. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. I hope that you have liked it. And I hope that you are finding out what's going on with this organization by joining Patreon. So everything we post in terms of updates and so forth go on Patreon. And this is basically $6 a month. You can get all the updates, what's happening with the organization, what's going on with Patreon for just that small fee. If you want more access to other things, that's a little more. And of course, there's always all access where you can then look at certain things, get additional information for, again, a very small yearly fee. I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time.